Okay, so what we're going to do is put down a list of the venues, say channels or what's Highlands Hall, whatever is it? House. Where else can we go? The local scout hut. KFC car park. That'll do. Right, so channels. That's going to cost us £180. Highlands House is probably going to be £500. 25p for the scout hut, and well, let's give them a quid. Let's give them a quid for KFC. Okay, so here's the data that we have. Now, when the customer has the list or the options that they need to choose, this is one way of doing it. So what we'll have is venue, and they will have the option to type in one of these. Okay, but that's a bit complicated for them to have to type in the exact word to know. Okay, so what we can do, this is one way, we can number them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what they need to do is just type in the number of the venue, and it will pull through what the venue is. Okay, so all they will do is type in the number in this blue cell here. I'll change the font to white because it will look good. And then the name and the cost need to be pulled through automatically. Don't worry about the way it looks now. This is just me making it look pretty. So the customer will just need to type in a number, and it will look it up here and pull through the right values over there. So the formulas you need to go into, watch what I'm doing, equals VLOOKUP, and then you have, the easiest way is to type the name of that and then put the first curved bracket in. Once you've done that, it allows you to press the FX button at the top. Okay, and this then gives you this nice grid of what to put in. So the lookup value is what value are you looking up, and that will be the number there, whatever that is in that number, whatever they typed in, 1, 2, 3, or 4. The array is where is the table of data we need to look up, and that's over here. Okay. Then what column in our array do we want to pull through? Now we're looking for the name, so the name is in the second column. Okay, so the column number is 2. Do we get that? The number is in the first column, the venue is in the second column, and the cost is in the third column. And the range lookup here is, do you want an exact match to our number? Obviously you do, you're right, because otherwise it will pull through the next one in the list, and that could be the wrong value. So we have to type in false. Okay, and then click OK on that. Now there's nothing there at the moment because we haven't got a value to look up, but as soon as I type a value in there, it pulls it through. If I put 2, and this is where your testing will kick in, because you need to test that each of these possible values would work. Okay, now if you get good at it, you can type this out manually without using that function, because if you actually have a look underneath, it says the items in order. So the lookup value is still the number there, comma, where's the range? There, comma, what column do I want? 3, comma, and false. I want an exact match. Make that look like currency, because that's what it is. So now as I change, okay, so that's method number 1 of doing a VLOOKUP.